Hey guys, how's it going? So today we're going to show you how to set up in Replo product sections, basically your product, as well as setting options if you have, let's say, like different sizes or variants for colors. So we're going to start here in Replo. This is a client's account actually, so it's in another language. It's in Finnish. So we're going to go here and it move me, go to components. Always start with a container, and then we're going to do product. Now, this is where you set up the product usually when you want to link to a product or, showcase a product. And you go to configure, and this is where you can pick the product. So it'll change, it'll adapt to any product. So that's like the bare bones of it usually. But I want to add option list, so I'm not really interested in this. I want to actually keep the product, but I want to delete this, keep this, and now we're going to add option. So here's how option. So this specific product, there's really just one option, 12 pack. And this is dynamic. Yeah, that's in Finnish. That's 12 pack or 3 liter. So yeah, but normally, let's say if you have small, extra small, medium, large, it'll show up here in the option list. And you can configure that here. So let's say I delete that and this, or even option. There's only one option here, it's in Finnish, which I don't understand it, but normally you can choose by what variable here, and then here's where you choose the variables. And here's where you can design it. You can change like spacing, padding, gap, all that. And so yeah, that's how you do that.